Thank you, Vicky.
Continuation of direct examination. Well, we don't know. We don't know kung ita-take up.
Hello, attorney. Good morning.
It's not compared to the criminal proceedings where the ano talaga requirement is beyond reasonable doubt, di ba? Very strict sila when it comes to discussing the merits of the case. Sa impeachment court kasi you also have that responsibility to explain to the public ano yung pinag-uusapan eh. So I think that's where Senator Tulog is coming from, and knowing that the nature of the impeachment trial is sui generis, it's one of its kind, no? And it's both legal and political. So you really also have to make sure that the public also catches up with the discussions in the court, no? Without necessarily being restrictive about the rulings.
Last na lang po, since natap yun ni presiding officer, na may naging adjustment ba ang part ng prosecutors sa mga, halimbawa, interview or sa mga PCON natin with regards?
So far naman, wala pa naman. We don't need to adjust pa naman kasi there's no exact ruling from the presiding officer or from the court. Magkakaroon lang po ng adjustment, no? Necessarily pag meron na po direktiba ang presiding officer.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
Morning, Kong. Hi, attorney. Morning. Good morning, attorney. Good morning po. Attorney, good morning. Good morning, attorney.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Mission is ready. Let's do this. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Good
Kayo
morning.
po, ano po lalaman ng mensahe niyo po sa impeachment court? If you have.
Hintayin natin mamaya. Hintayin natin mamaya. If ever given the opportunity, I will. Tayo po ay susunod sa timing, sa opportunity na ibibigay sa atin. Kung yung opportunity na yan, darating na. Okay? Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Good morning. See you.
Thank you, sir.